Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Egbert here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we have to talk about the early bird catches the worm. That's right. Those colloquialisms that we got to talk about every now and then. The early bird is here because there's a Ziba at Vista Cana. It's real estate once again, ladies and gentlemen. First come, first serve. If you buy now, there's a lower price. If you buy 7 days from now, prices have already increased. They already have it in stone. So now you have to make decisions quick if you want to get instant equity. We're going to talk about it today. I'm going to show you what it is. I just got it yesterday. It just came out 24 hours ago. So everybody has a chance now. But guess what? In the last 24 hours, people have already signed up. They already have sent money. They've wired it over. It's unbelievable. And it's in the Vista Cana property, golf course views. Those are the type of properties I like to have for rentals. Let's talk. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. Tavosi Optics. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And I want to thank you once again for being here. And by the time you see this video, we're going to be at 12,000 subscribers. So I want to thank you very much for being a subscriber of the channel. And if you're not a subscriber of the channel, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel if you like what we talk about. But the most important part is we're trying to help thousands, if not millions of other people. So please share the videos. Tell your neighbor, tell your brother, tell your cousin, tell your family, tell your friends to come over and check this out, because you never know what's going to be happening here. But we try to help people make money. We try to help people buy assets. We try to get you in the game. So once again, we have the join button over here on the right hand side. And if you join and become a member of the channel, under the community tab, I give messages whenever I do investments or other special messages specifically for members only. And I also do 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for members only. And with all that said, another treat here today in the overseas real estate market. It looks like Punta Cana is the place that the whole world wants to buy. But now something has happened that I'm extremely excited about, because in case you guys saw previous videos, there was Ventura Golf Suites at Vista Cana, and a 2-bedroom there was $144,000 and up, and a 1-bedroom was $112,000 with the golf course views. Yes, I would have had the upper deck, but nonetheless, it would have been a 1-bedroom penthouse for $111,000, 2-bedroom on the ground floor for $144,000, and if you wanted that deck, well, you're gonna have to spend about another 20, 30 grand. So here, what happens? The same guys that are doing Central Park, unbelievably, they're doing another project, and it's inside Vista Cana. These guys are breaking all the rules. I cannot believe this. No credit check, no qualifying. You can get in, ladies and gentlemen. And this particular one just came out less than 24 hours ago. And guess what? Things are already sold sight unseen because people are getting golf course views. A 1-bedroom golf course view, $76,000. A 2-bedroom, $118,000 with a golf view, $120,000 with the golf view. This is how much I'm paying for my penthouse, which does not have a golf view. My goodness, ladies and gentlemen, these guys are breaking the rules over there. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you a little bit of something. Let's go look and see. Let's go look at the PDF. Again, the PDF will be down below in the description below this video. Once again, don't forget the rest of the stuff, because we got to get assets, ladies and gentlemen. Those assets, crypto, get your free $10 worth of crypto. Assets, stocks, get your free shares of stock with Robinhood and Webull down below. All right? We're going to go over all of it. You can see it, Ziba at Vista Cana, ladies and gentlemen. You can see it right here. I'm kind of excited, as you can tell. This map may look familiar to all those who saw the Vista Cana videos before. This is the master plan. Over here on the right-hand side, golf course. Golf course. Just start looking at where I'm circling here. That's A building. Over here, this short building over here on the other side of the pool, that's B building. This back here, C building. This right here, F building. Or is it E building? I can't remember. I think it's E building. Sorry, that's the E building. Over here, F building. Some of you might recognize these are all one bedrooms. All up front here, 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms. These over here on the side, they have golf course views, ladies and gentlemen. You heard me. Golf course views over here. And over here on the E building, you look over the pool and the golf course if you're on the second level. Major. Major. And you don't think people are buying? Well, I'm going to show you guys something. Less than 24 hours. All right? I have the updated buy list and what's already blocked off or sold. It's incredible because people are sending their $1,000 deposit or whatever deal they make. They're sending the money and they're blocking it out. So also within the project, they have villas. You can see the villas back here in the backside. None of these have golf views. I mean, that's for because I'm not going to live there and it's for vacation rentals. What you want is a reason for people to come rent your space. And now you can see the look and feel of the place. And again, now we're back to the villas. These are the 3 and 4 bedrooms villas. You can see the overview here. Again, you can get this PDF down below in the description. And I'll go through this briefly. Another villa. You can see side by side. You can see upstairs. And the design. This is actually out front in the A and B buildings with the pool right there in front of the 9-hole executive golf course, the only nighttime golf in the Caribbean. That's right, it's going to be the first one. Now, this is between that's the B building, and on the back side is the C building. And now, here we are. This is what it's kind of looking like, ladies and gentlemen. Block 1. Block 1. Again, this is their, what they're showing. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to be kind of sweet, in my opinion. But then again, pictures always look sweeter in renderings. Here's the 1 bedrooms. Or is this is still 2 bedrooms, sorry. All right, this is a PDF that just came out as well. They had another one, but now this is the updated version, and I'm pretty sure the real version is going to come out. There's something else you guys need to know. There's going to be something called a fair coming up in the next week. You can buy a 1-bed. All these prices that you're going to see right now are the prices you can get right now in the next 5 days. After 4 or 5 days, the prices go up about $7,000 to $10,000. The $76,000 1-bedroom will be $83,000, $87,000. The $118,000 will be $121,000, $126,000, somewhere like that. You guys can see what I'm talking about. Look at this pool area. If that's how they're going to design it, jacuzzi with solarium. This is awesome, and I can't believe the prices. Again, pretty waterfalls, pool. Here we go on the other side. This is awesome potential here. And once again, we always got to talk about with this project, they're talking about April 2023. So we're talking about 25 payments right now. I mean, 25. If they did what they did at the Central Park, where you could do 0% down, you would have 25 payments to meet your 40%. 40% on 76,000. I have not ran the numbers, but to give you an idea, on a 1-bedroom, this is what I'll just do it real quick for you. I'll use the 77,000 number times 40%, and that gives us 30,800. And you're going to have 25 payments. Somebody could own a one bedroom at $1,232 per month for the next 25 payments starting in the month of March. 25 payments of $1,232 and you have a one bedroom. Now, the two bedroom, which they do have 118,000 right now, and these are golf course views. I got to keep this straight. This is the premier where you want to have your spot. You want golf course views because you can charge more for the golf course view than just a normal condo with no view. All right. So again, I'll go into that number, and that number says 47,200. And once again, you can figure it out. If you want to put 10% down and then finance, that's fine. That'll make your payments lower. If you want to try and do the no money down where you're just paying the monthly, you can do that as well. But 47,200 off the 118 divided by 25 means you'd be paying $1,888 per month, ladies and gentlemen. Call it $1,900 per month for 25 months. Then you would have put 40% down. You would have a 60% LTV, but we already know you will have a lower LTV because they're going to raise the price in less than 5 days. All right? So you guys got to look at this. I just had to present it. Now, I'm going to go off into the other part where I'm going to go back to the Stop Struggling Now site, and I'm going to show you here's what's available. Look at this. And oh, by the way, I have the whole list this time. All right? Kind enough. Okay, block A is up front. You can see golf view, golf view, golf view. The reason why somebody's going to have garden view because they're going to be on the other side of the building to match, because these are like condos. All right? Look at this. It's 118 right now. See, next week, the 125 that all these people bought, 118, 125, they're going to be $5,000 more next week. All right? And who knows what's going to happen by the time this place gets built out. All right, the two bedrooms, 74 meters squared. Terrace, there's one with the terrace, 65 meters square terrace. That's a penthouse, 129. They're already in the 120s. This is going to be 130 next week. Well, as you can see, they're already blocked out, so that's no surprise. It's right on the golf course. Block B, notice it's also blocked out. These are all two bedrooms as well. Gone. Blocked out. They don't say reserved though, so that just means they blocked them out. Okay, now here's block C, where now we have one bedrooms, which you can see are 54 square meters. If you don't know what 54 square meters is, look for the video. You can search the Stop Struggling Now channel, look for the Punta Cana video, and I actually run through the model that they have as a one bedroom. That's 53 square meters, so that'll give you an idea of what 53 square meters looks like. And it's comfortable, just like a one bedroom apartment almost. It's just slightly smaller, but it's one bedroom and a half baths. And I don't know if these are 1.5 baths. So looks like, yes, they are. Oh, well, that's B. C, yes, they are, it looks like. But don't count me as the 1.5 bath. I can't tell at this point. But again, you can see the golf views already blocked out. 77,000, 78 grand already blocked out, but yet they still have garden view, as they call it, on the other side. And there's a thing about the garden view on the other side, because the C building, you're gonna be back by the pool. So that means that leaves us D building. I don't know about the D building, but it's all blocked out. That leaves the E building left, 78 grand. Well, they already raised it $1,000. But I think if you guys contact, you can see Hoshi over here. Well, I'm going to block that side out. But if you guys contact, you can probably get 75.6, 77.6 right now. This extra 1,000, and then like I said, next week it's 83 grand. So golf views are gone pretty much. F also has golf views. And once again, you can already see what happened here. 2 bedrooms and they're 106 behind. And that's it. Everything else is in the backside, and you can see block G, nothing major. And the villas, they're not really selling like hotcakes, even though they're probably going to sell. But you can see where everybody knows where their rental money is. Golf course view. And I still have questions about, can a person just go out onto the golf course, or how they're going to regulate that, but we'll find out one day. So anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, I just had to show you this real quick, because if you're talking about real estate investing, if you're talking about no qualifying, no credit checks, and it's overseas international real estate, where it's in a place that has high tourism when there's no pandemic, number one in the Caribbean, by the way, over 6 million tourists a year come to the island, not to Punta Cana specifically, but to the island. Right now, they have less than 50,000 people worldwide coming to the island because of the pandemic. So this is why now everything is starting to be lifted in certain areas. People are going to go here and find out more about it. That's one of the saving graces. First come, first serve, early bird catches the worm. All those phrases apply here. If you were thinking about it, now's your chance, now's your time. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. So I can't keep talking about real estate if you don't have money coming in. Well, you're just going to have to stay tuned and check out some more videos on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page, because I go over it all: affiliate marketing, social media marketing, how to start online business, so to speak, because now you can use social media to your advantages. TikTok, Snapchat giving away $1 million a day. If your video goes viral, you could get a check. Doesn't cost you anything. Again, there's ways that you can make this work. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.